see now really contains many words connected with the codes and really tell us what is the purpose of the codes, how they were distributed by Richard Shaw, producer of Pinlight, documentary as he did, and was really distributed all over. Then we see also very significant words about connection between the code and Messiah, as we said, and some other very significant words to do with the Torah codes. So first, let us start with the top, which is like the title of it, and this is what Doron Witzong found, minimum in the whole Torah. Kodim Emet, the codes are true. Now, Doron Witzong basically, most of his tables, all of them, the beginning were from Genesis. And this also, you can see in one book, Genesis comes here, Aleph is Genesis, and few chapters, really. So, what you have here. So, as we said, like a title, codes are true. Then, you can see what will be with the codes. Yiru Kol Am, all nations. You see, yeah, all nations, they came all over, and we know quite well that it was distributed, Amazon, and definitely many saw it, as we could see from the response. Then, what is also telling us here, that it will be distributed, Mufat, as we said, all over, and what will be Mufat, soften, you can soften, the code will be distributed, and even the year comes here, letter after letter. 5776, this was the year really when the distribution became more and more stronger. Then we, as we mentioned, has to do with Messianic era, so we have you exactly this year with son of Jesse, Messiah, and you have Messiah parallel, Mashiach, Messiah parallel, you can see it, Messiah parallel very significant because it's not easy to find exactly the Messiah in such a way. So you have Messiah here, and you have son of Jesse, it's quite small skip, son of Jesse, with a code which will be distributed, Mufats, which is distributed, and Zir, letter after letter, which is minimal, which is definitely very significant. And what this distribution did, as we said, Yiru Da'am, that Yiru Kol Am, that all people will be able to see it. Now, what you have here also, definitely Richard Shaw, coming here, Richard Shaw, the producer for Pinlight, who really did a lot to bring out this documentary out about the codes. And then we have here also the people involved, which is Eliyahu Rips comes here, and Matityahu, myself somehow, I don't know. Matityahu came here because really I did a lot that it will come out with Richard Shaw. So we have all the main people who were very involved in it. Then, what is mentioned, and we have really another table clearly shows that the codes are doctrine of Messiah, which is really part of the Torah of God, the doctrine of God. Amazing. Come here, Torah, Yud-K, doctrine of God, Yud-K are two letters of God which represent wisdom and understanding, which is exactly what this code shows. Yes, the understanding of the Torah in depth, and a lot of wisdom definitely comes out of it. And we have here, this here, which is, you can see, Tafshin Ayin Chet, which is 5778, and hoping that this year will add more to the distribution of it. And what is the purpose of this is all the rabbis that we have letters of great rabbis who very much support it, encourage it, like Rabbi Fisher and other rabbis, even Rabbi Auerbach. When he heard about it, he encouraged Ron Bissung to do it and to distribute it. Rabbi Alversham Zassal told me to do everything to distribute it. But this is a clear proof that Torah is from heaven. But definitely for this, people have to look into it and to understand that it is far away from being coincidence. We have so many things related. And this is why we have tshuva. We have the word tshuva, repentance, which means repentance is me coming back to keep the Torah, to believe in God. He's returning to the source, to the Torah, to God. He's the source of creation. He's coming here, and red you can see, also coming here. So altogether, as we said, very significant table, and as we said in one book, so many words related, coming here, far away from being coincidence. It is unfortunate that all those who try to find codes in other places bring words here, a word here, a word here, 3, 2 words, and never you have the words which are really connected and significant. And this is the most important, definitely, having sometimes minimal, like you have here, small skip, like here, best meetings, and definitely Kodim Emet to tell us that the codes are true, every 3 letters. Amazing phenomena. So altogether, if people really look into the codes, into the tables, and try to really have the right outlook, we see and understand, even without statistic, without mathematician, that you have so many words coming, and all of them related, not a word here and a word there, but clearly coming and tell you the codes are true, as they were distributed on this by Richard Shaw, and they are the doctrine of God. So all of this coming in this area in one book, no doubt that it shows us the truth of the codes, that codes are true. So this is really, I think, a table which also will definitely satisfy the English speaking people who complain always that my English is not exactly the right English, no Israeli, unfortunately don't have maybe some years, but normally, difficult to pronounce it properly. So here you have nice table with clear English translation to everything. You can see clearly everything Richard Shaw did beautifully, and really very significant, important table, which really should bring us to the right outlook about the truth of the codes of the Torah, which are true.